Welcome back to Dimensions DIY. Today we are building a dartboard case complete with a dartboard. Let's get started. First things first, let's miter the frame by cutting the edges of floorboards to 45 degrees each. Make sure they are both aligned in the same direction. Then break out some glue, apply to the ends, and stick it all together. We used a ratchet strap around the frame to hold it together while the glue dries. Make sure it's evenly centered on the frame and crank it down. Now cut two boards at 12 inches apiece. You'll end up with four 12-inch boards. To assemble the doors, grab three 24-inch boards and mark them 5 inches in from each edge. Then lay the 24-inch boards on top of the 12-inch boards and screw them into place. Then line up your third 24-inch piece in the middle and drill it in. Let's get rid of this for a hot second and take the strap off our frame. Back to the doors. Center your hinges where the two boards meet and screw both hinges in. Then place the door squared on top of the frame and screw the other sides in. Repeat the process for the other door, and look at that, you've got two doors in. Next, we drilled our door catches in by installing the plates an inch above the bottom of the inside frame. Then stuck the magnetic catches to the plates, closed the doors, and drilled them in. Next, we measured down 5 inches from the braces on the doors and marked where the top of our handles would go. Then we screwed them into place. To attach the frame to the backing, run a bead of glue along the outside edge, and then drop the frame on top. If any glue spills out, wipe it off with a wet rag. Next up, let's cut some chalkboard panels into 10 by 12 inch sections. We cut ours with a large miter saw, but a circular saw works just as well. Center the chalkboard on the inside of your door and lightly outline it with a pencil. Then apply some wood glue inside that space and press it into place. Next, find the center of your frame to hang your dartboard. Then install the mounting hardware and test it out. It's a good idea to hang this from a wall stud, so measure and mark the center of your frame in a low spot and a high spot. According to the Darts Regulation Authority, the bullseye needs to be at a height of 5 foot 8 inches. We measured from the bullseye to the bottom of the frame, which was 12 inches, and subtracted that from 5 foot 8, which means that the bottom of our dartboard case should be at 4 foot 8 inches. Use a stud finder or other method to locate studs in your walls. With the help of a friend or two, hold the dartboard case into place while you screw the bottom in. Then, using a level, adjust as necessary until the dartboard is flat. Now, screw the top section into the stud. Hang your dartboard and you're good to go. Pro tip: pick up some nail and hole filler for patching up misses. All the products we used are in the description below. See you next month for another Dimensions DIY project.